IB Euro students, let's take a look at the week by looking at the agenda first. Here's our agenda for the week. So we are into 1917 now. 1917 is a critical year. We see a number of things happen, including a French mutiny, the Germans taking a highly defendable position known as the Hindenburg Line, and a number of other developments that you'll be both reading about and seeing in the Ed puzzles. First, on Wednesday, we should try to get the next quiz done for All Quiet on the Western Front. That would be the third quiz you would be taking, and that's on chapters 7 through 9. On Thursday, read the 1917 overview by Josh Bruman. It's a helpful resource to use. Second, the next Ed puzzle's available. So that is the one thing assigned on Thursday is the Ed puzzle, The Great War, episode 5. And that's due on Friday if you're keeping pace with the class. Friday, the next Ed puzzle on episode 6 is due. Still into 1917. Monday, we begin the last final year of fighting in World War I. That is in 1918. In 1917, the United States entered the war, but we see the United States play a role really in 1918. 1918, we see the last German offensive, known as the Ludendorff Offensive, with the Americans playing a role in that defense, fighting notable battles around Belleau Wood. And in the summer and into the fall of 1918, we see the last successful Allied offensive, which finally creates a breakthrough. The United States involved in the southern part of the line in around San Miguel. On Monday, then, there are a couple things. One, the next Ed puzzle, 7.1, is assigned. And then at some point from Monday to Wednesday, I would suggest finishing the book and getting that last quiz done. So it's assigned there. It says Wednesday, November 4th. I'm not necessarily all that concerned if you do it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or even Thursday of that coming week, if you're stretched for time. But do try to finish the book in that window of time. And that is all we got. Have a great week.